Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing today? Hi, so someone sent me a reaction to do to D Chanel, and it's so funny that they said that because D Chanel, I do know of her. I've watched last year during the pandemic, I catch up to a lot of her videos. So now I'm current. I do watch the Chanel. I think she's really funny. I think she's very authentic when she gives her reaction videos. I won't say like most reactors out there. There was like I'm like, really? I watched the same video. I didn't get that same feeling. I do enjoy what you watch, and some people may feel like, oh my god, you watch another reaction, blah blah blah. For me personally, I like to watch a lot of reactors because some of them choose very interesting videos to watch. Because me by myself, I would not be going on YouTube to search for anything. I don't got time for that. I have Netflix and Hulu for a reason. YouTube, no. So I basically follow some of these reaction channels to see what they react to. But on my own, I won't. But anyway, I talk too much. Blah, blah, blah. So this is D Chanel, and I believe this was her ex-boyfriend at the time, Brendan, because that's how I was introduced to her, is when she and him used to do their own prank videos and their video reaction and things like that. So someone sent this to me and I was like, oh, that's his name. I couldn't remember who his name was. I know she used to do it with somebody, but I guess they're not together no more. So.
Give my phone, man.
Stop!
You're doing too much.
I'm about to call them. Let go. Let go.
You're doing too much.
Let go, Brandon.
You tripping.
I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. Let
Why
go.
are you hitting me, man? Why are you hitting me?
Did you have somebody
Why
in
are
here?
you so loud, man?
Did you have somebody in here?
Maybe I did, maybe I didn't.
You got me fucked
I'm
up.
just
I ain't fucking playing with you.
I'm just playing.
Nobody's playing with you. Brandon got me fucked up.
I'm just playing.
Get your shit. Get up out of here.
Hey, look, I'm
you
just
up out of
playing.
there. I swear to God, I'm not playing with you. I don't know what the fuck is so
Look,
big.
I got the camera over here, man.
Ain't no camera in here.
I got the camera over here.
Where?
In here. Hidden behind
There
the
is
pots
no
to pass
camera.
every. Look.
Fuck!
Camera right here, man.
Fuck!
Man, like I was saying, I gotta put myself first. I gotta put my happiness first. Yeah, if this is me being selfish, I'm being selfish. Whatever.
You're being selfish by throwing us away. By throwing our relationship away.
Look,
Because you're homesick.
look, it is what it is. I put my happiness first, man. I gotta put myself first. That's what I'm gonna do. Fuck it.
You got me fucked up, bro.
Whoa.
You got me fucked up.
Why you got a knife?
You think you're gonna leave me here by myself?
I love her. She's
By
so
myself,
pretty.
Brandon?
So pretty.
Calm
You
down.
say this by myself.
Can you calm down?
Why would you do this?
Can you calm down?
Why do you think that's okay?
Listen. We can talk about it. Just put the knife away. We can talk. We can talk.
No,
man.
there is no talking.
She said the only way you leave me is
I'm not getting on no.
It was just a prank. It was just a prank. It was just a prank.
Got your ass.
What the fuck is this?
That's my ass. How my ass tastes.
Oh my
How
fucking
my
God.
ass tastes. Got that ass.
What the
TB. Got that shit on your face. How it smell though? How it smell though?
Get the fuck out. If you don't get out,
Why are you
laughing? What's wrong with you?
Look, hold on, look.
Leave now or your life will be over. I'm not fucking playing with you.
Hold on, okay.
Leave right now. I'm not playing with you.
Okay, hold
Your
on.
life is over.
I got
You
something to
fucking hear me?
say.
Calm down.
You're gonna get in trouble.
You're gonna get in trouble, girl. No, he not.
You're in.
Okay, let me get on the flip though. This thing is crusty.
To be honest with you, I'm tired of this little dog anyway.
What?
It's a prank. It's a prank.
Oh my god, poor D.
Motherfucker.
Right now.
I ain't gonna disclose my weight. I will disclose it though on my personal channel. If you guys will subscribe to D Chanel, and I'll be putting up a weight loss update very soon.
Nobody care about nobody no shit.
She be.
You are a hater. Anyway.
So that was D Chanel and Brandon ENT Shady moments. Oh wow, I've never really noticed. I really do like her though. Two of them together on YouTube introduced me to YouTube. I remember when they were first starting, I was one of the few to watch them. So thanks to the person who recommended me react to this. Like I said before, I do know this channel. I watch a lot of her videos, and I think she's very authentic. And I think she was in there was some drama between another YouTuber, and I think it's something about copying her basically her aesthetic of her channel, if that makes sense. And there was something going back and forth. Well, I won't say back and forth because she addressed it one time and he just kept on. Never mind. So for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I get to as soon as possible. As always, looking to you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.